Hi everyone! Happy weekend sa inyong lahat. Happy Saturday morning. Again, today is 12:08 a.m. Saturday. Happy weekend sa inyo guys. So, kamusta kayo? Kamusta? Maraming salamat sa nanood ng ating recent upload. Okay? So, nababasa ko po yung mga comment ninyo. And again, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na nanonood. And sa mga bagong subscribers, welcome sa inyong lahat. Welcome back. And sa ating mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, tingnan nyo po yung ating reading ngayon kung mag-resonate sa inyo and considering subscribing sa ating channel para mas lalong dumami pa yung community ni Leluna. So, kamusta kayo guys? Kamusta ang inyong week, buong week? Ayan. Dito, kakatila lang ng ulan sa amin. So, I hope safe kayong lahat, okay kayong lahat. So, uso din ang sakit ngayon, kaya mas maiging mag-ingat tayo. Okay, so for today, we are going to do another pick a card reading. So, tingnan natin who is talking behind your back. So, sino yung may sinasabi behind your back? So, sino tong person na to? Whether positive or negative yung sasabihin niya, so titingnan natin. Okay? So, sa inyong harapan, we have two cards or two pile. Okay? Sa ating pile number 1, you have the prostitute card. Okay? Again, this is archetype cards, oracle card. Okay? Sa iyong pile number 2 is Midas Miser or Midas Miser. Okay? So, pili kayo. This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. So, who is talking behind your back? And what are the gossip na sinasabi niya or what's the tea na sinasabi niya? Okay? So, titingnan natin. Pile number 1 and pile number 2. So, pili na kayo ng pile again. Meditate on your cards para mas mag-resonate sa inyo yung pile na mapipili ninyo. Okay? So, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Who is talking behind your back? And what's the tea na sinasabi ng person na to? Ano yung chismis na sinasabi nito? Okay. So, pili na kayo guys. I will give you 1 minute to choose your card. Okay. So, start na tayo. Pili na kayo. Pile number 1 and again, this is pile number 2. Okay, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, so I will start to pile number 1. Okay. So kung pile number 1 ang napili mo, ito yung reading na para sa'yo. So, disclaimer lang guys, again, take what's resonate and leave the rest. Kung hindi mag-resonate sa inyo, ayos lang, wag ipilit. Okay? So, again, tandaan, energy is vice versa po. Pwedeng ikaw yung nare-read, pwedeng yung other person yung nare-read. Okay? So, tandaan nyo lang yan. Whether hindi mag-resonate sa inyo yung zodiac sign, ayos lang. Okay? Kasi po pwedeng may earth placement kayo or other placement nung zodiac na yon sa inyong natal chart. Okay? So, let's start. Pile number 1, ang napili mong archetype card is prostitute. Okay. So, first na nakuha kong energy dito sa ating pile number 1 is this person sinasabi niya sa ibang tao o pwedeng honestly, alam kong ayaw niyo makarinig ng from the past. Pero meron akong nakita dito na for some of you, this is an ex. Okay? This is a person na nagkagusto sa'yo or po pwedeng naging kayo. Okay? Ito puwedeng ikaw ay feminine, okay, and this is a masculine, the one who is talking behind your back. Okay, so literally prostitute card, pupuwedeng siguro ni-reject mo 'to, inayaw nakipag-break ka na dito sa person na 'to, and this person is sinasabi niya siguro dun sa mga taong within your circles na both kayo is parehong nakakakilala na iniwanan mo siya dahil to find, a person na may mas may pera, okay. So, yun yung nakukuha ko. So, light attribute accentuates the challenge of surviving without negotiating the power of your spirit, while the shadow attribute is places material considerations and security above self-empowerment. Okay. So, ayun nga guys, ang nakukuha ko dito is this is the person na sinabi or sinasabi niya na iniwanan mo siya to find mas mapera. Okay, teka tatayo natin. Iniwanan mo siya to find, a person na mas mapera kaysa sa kanya. Pupuwedeng this person is sabihin nating, um, walang masyadong sabihin nating sapat lang yung money niya, and pupuwedeng this person is sinasabi niya na materialistic ka. Okay, material things. You are very materialistic, parang gano'n. And hindi ka makontento sa kaya niya lang maibigay sa'yo or sa life lang na kaya niyang mai-offer sa'yo. So, pupuwedeng gano'n guys, So, trigger warning lang, Okay. So, karamihan sa inyo is, um, feminine, Okay. This person also looks at you na parang mataas yung standards mo, or sabihin nating materialistic ka, gold digger, yan, parang gano'n nga. Mabilis kang masilaw, mabilis kang masilaw sa mga bagay, material things, okay? So, titingnan natin, let's see. Ten of Cups, water sign. Okay, so sabi ko nga, pupuwedeng this is an ex, yung may long-term relationship ka dito sa person na 'to, or meron kang foundation dito sa person na 'to. Or simply, pupuwedeng nakipaghiwalay ka dito sa person na 'to kasi to pursue or to marry to someone else. Yun ang sinasabi niya, yun ang sinasabi niya. Hindi ko sinasabing ayun yung totoo, okay? And pupuwedeng this person also say na hindi ka family material, yung parang hindi ka wife material, parang gano'n. So, may nararamdaman ako na this person is bitter. Bitter na meron kasing nangyari between the two of you. Kaya siya nagsasalita ng gano'n, okay? Behind your back. So, titingnan pa natin. For some of you, you can be a Leo, an Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. You're very beautiful, okay? Very sexy, very feminine. You can also be a fire sign, okay? Ace of Wands. O, di ba? Ten of Cups also, about stability. So, pwedeng this person, uh, pinagsasabi niya sa iba na mahalaga sa iyo ang stability, okay, and hindi love. Oo, mahalaga sa iyo yung security, money. Kasi kung titingnan mo dito sa may prostitute card ng archetype natin, may money, 'di ba? Dun sa body no woman. So, pupuwedeng this person is sinasabi niya sa iyo na mahalaga sa'yo yung pera, 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 parang gano'n, stability, security. O, 'di ba? Parang gano'n. 'Di ba, new beginnings. You have a new beginning somewhere else. Okay, to someone else. Okay, hindi dito sa person na 'to. Okay? Starting new, okay? Pupuwedeng you are already separated with this person, naghiwalay na kayo nito, okay? Finding new, meron akong narinig na finding new. So, pupuwedeng you find someone else nga, someone new, and puwedeng this person knows na meron ka ng in another relationship ka na right now. So, tingnan natin, ha. 3 of Cups, water sign, friendship, okay. This person is sinasabi niya na hindi ko actually, meron akong naramdaman na this person is iniiba niya yung story about sa totoong nangyari, okay? Doon sa talagang nangyari, okay? So, pupuwedeng this person is gossiping you, nakikipagtsismisan siya sa mga circle of friends niyo rin or sa kakilala niya, pupuwedeng while drinking, while alam mo 'pag nakikipag-inuman, oh, 'di ba? O gano'n, yung while drinking, guys, ewan ko lang, meron kasi akong narinig, or naririnig na sinasabi ng iba na mas mahilig daw makipag-gossip or makipagtsismisan ang guy kaysa sa feminine. Pero yung mga guys natin diyan, huwag kayong magagalit, yun lang naman yung sinasabi ng iba. So, pupuwedeng this person is talking to their friends, sa mga kaibigan niya, circle of friends, kakilala ka din, na about dun sa nangyari sa inyo na separation, okay. So, pupuwedeng tingnan natin, pupuwedeng you're already engaged and you're going to marry, okay. This person is mahilig makipagkuwentuhan, makipag-socialize. Uy, 7 of Pentacles, 'di ba? Investment, pera, Pentacles. This person, sinasabi niya na sinuyo ka niya, niligawan ka niya nag-invest siya sa'yo, okay, making investment. Nag-invest siya sa'yo ng time niya, ng money niya, ng effort niya, nanligaw siya sa'yo, pupuwedeng siguro nag-work din 'to. This person is walang much money, okay. So, kaya bitter siya sa nangyari between the two of you. Okay, so sinasabi nitong person na 'to na nag-invest siya sa'yo tapos ganun lang yung mangyayari. Okay, making investment. O, 'di ba? King of Pentacles. Pupuwedeng you are right now in a relationship with the King of Pentacles, okay? This person is, a good provider, okay? A wealthy person, mas may pera, okay? Mapera, a businessman, okay? A person with a high status, stable person also, and a good provider. Okay, so, um, sinasabi nitong person na 'to na ano nga, you are materialistic, kaya mas pinili mo yung mas may pera. Okay. Oh, Two of Pentacles. So, sinasabi din itong person na 'to na ginuggle mo siya with other person or pinagsabay mo sila, pupuwedeng gano'n. Nililigawan ka niya, kayo na, pero nakikipag-communicate ka pa or nagpapaligaw ka pa rin sa iba, okey? Guys, again, hindi ko sinasabi na totoo lahat ng sinasabi nitong person na 'to, kung sino man 'tong, nanggo-gossip or nangtsitsismis sa'yo behind your back. Pero sinasabi ko lang kung ano yung nakikita ko dito, okay? So, this person is juggling again, dito nga sa may Three of Cups din, pupuwede ding third party. So, pupuwedeng sinasabi din niya na you put him, her, in a third party situation. Kasi pupuwede sigurong kayo na, pero hindi ka makuntento kasi nga, materialistic ka, kaya mas pinursue mo, mas nagpapaligo ka pa rin sa mas may pera, okay? So, titingnan natin. Impersonator wants to be you, act like, dresses like, looks like, copy you. Okay, for some of you, this is a friend with the friendship or Three of Cups here. Pwedeng this is a friend na talking behind your back. Yung iba sa inyo ha, because this person is naiinggit, jealous. Okay? Pero sinasabi niya, yung iba sa inyo, kung hindi mag-resonate dun sa unang energy na nakita natin, this second person na sinasabi ko na friends or someone na pinagkakalat niya na materialistic ka, na iba yung lifestyle mo, liberated ka, parang ganun, ano ka, madali kang masway, balimbing ka, parang ganun. Ang katotohanan, this person wants to be you. Okay? Wants to be you, wants to act like you. Gusto niya rin gawin kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Okay? O, diba? Karmic friends. Can't fully trust them. Tension. Secret competition. Keep your friends close and your enemies closer. O, diba? For some of you, if this is a friend, this friend na nagsasabi ng hindi maganda behind your back is a karmic friend. Honestly, this person wants to be you. Okay? Wants to have a lifestyle like you. O pwedeng this friend is nang chichismis or talking behind your back na there is someone na mayaman, wealthy person na nagsusuporta sa'yo at nagbibigay ng luho mo. Oo, kasi iba yung lifestyle mo eh. Pupuwedeng mahilig ka sa mga branded na gamit and ano ka, eh, parang mukha kang mapera in short, ayan. So this friend, sinasabi niya siguro may nagsu-support dito na ano, na matanda or may pera, may sugar daddy 'to na nagbibigay sa kanya ng money, ayan. So kaya itong friend na 'to alam niya kung ano yung pasikot-sikot or yung work mo ginagawa mo. Kasi pupuwedeng kasama din 'to sa group of your friends and this is a close friend of yours. O 'di ba, karmic friends. Keep your friends close and your enemies closer, 'di ba? Close 'to sa'yo, pero hindi mo alam na naggo-gossip siya. Pupuwedeng alam mo na gano'n yung tsini-tsismis niya sa'yo pero for some of you hindi niyo alam na this friend of yours, close friend of yours, is ganun yung sinasabi behind your back. Okay. Fishing for comments. O, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, this person is not talking to only one person. This is a group of friends, circle of friends. With the fishing for comments, ikaw yung topic. Okay? Ikaw yung topic nung chismisan nila. Yung usapan nila. Okay. And pupuwedeng gano'n yung sinasabi niya behind your back kasi she want to fish for comments. So ito yung klase ng friend na cannot be trusted, okay? Cannot be trusted. Can be a colleague or katrabaho and close kayo nito, okay? And nasabi ko na kung ano yung mga keyword na pupuwede mong tingnan. This person copy you. Oh, dresses like you. Okay? Looks like you or copying your makeup, your color of your hair, okay? Brand of your clothes or your styling, parang ganon. Whether this is a friend or a colleague or a ex. Okay? Jewelry, tawag ba ko, alahas, ayun na lang. Alahas. Ginagaya niya kung ano yung makita niyang bago sa'yo. Okay? Moving on, thank you next. So for some of you, kanina naka-resonate dun sa ex, you're already moving on to someone else. Much better, much may money, di ba? Kaya, nagto-talk tong person behind your back. Ganun yung sinasabi niya. Kasi syempre para hindi siya siguro kantsawan. Mm. And kasi inayawan mo na siya eh. That's why ganun yung sinasabi niya. Masama yung loob niya. Inside scoop. A closer look, nosy up in your business. 'Di ba? This is a close, another close friend, close person. Okay? In a circle of friends, circle of people na malapit sa'yo. Nako ha, being nosy, huh? Up in your business. Kung saan ba talaga nanggagaling yung money mo, kung ano bang trabaho mo talaga, kung ano ba pinagkakitaan mo talaga, or sino ba talaga yung pwedeng, sino ba talaga yung boyfriend mo, or may nagsusupport ba sa'yo, parang ganun. So, these persons is searching for information, fishing for comments or searching for informations about what your businesses, okay? Kung anong ginagawa mo. Bakit siguro mapera ka or anything, siguro nagpo-prostitute ka or something doing online, ganyan yung mga basta something na ginagawa mo. Kaya ka siguro maraming money. Mhm. Ah, last card is crying over you. Ah, sad, hurt, upset. O, 'di ba? If this is an ex or a past lover that you already rejected and you moved on or nakipag-break ka dito, this person is crying over you. Hindi niya matanggap na nakipaghiwalay ka sa kanya and you find someone better. Mas may pera, mas nabibigay yung gusto mo. Kasi po pwedeng this person is kailangan niya magtrabaho pa para maibigay kung ano yung may gusto mo, yung parang gano'n. Okay, so this person is crying. Okay, hindi niya matanggap na break na kayo or naghiwalay kayo or you have someone else na parang gano'n. Okay? So, pile number 1, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung ating reading sa ating topic na who's talking behind your back, okay? So, maraming maraming salamat pile number 1. So, kung hindi man resonate sa ito, you are welcome to watch file number 2. Okay, so file number 1, hindi ko napapatagalin. Maraming maraming salamat. I will go to file number 2. Okay, file number 2. Kung ito ang napili mo, ito yung reading mo sa topic natin na who's talking behind your back and ano yung sinasabi nito or what's the tea, ano yung sinasabi nitong chismis. Okay. kung ito yung napili mo, so titingnan natin kung ano yung reading mo. So you choose archetype card Midas and Miser or Miser. Light attributes, entrepreneurial or creative ability to turn anything to gold. Delight in sharing life's riches. Oh, so you are a jack of all trades, parang ganun. Okay? It can be. And shadow attribute, hoarding money and emotions, obsessive fear of losing your wealth. Okay. So pile number 2. So, sabi ko nga kanina, you can be a jack of all traits or kung ano man yung hawakan mo or anything na gawin mo is nagbubunga ng maganda. Okay? So, po pwedeng yun yung sinasabi ng ibang tao. Okay? Or nitong person na to. Or, po pwedeng this person is someone who is obsessively fear of losing her wealth, his wealth, or anything. Or po pwede siya sabi ng person to na madamot ka. Okay? Madamot ka, uh, hindi ka nagsishare, okay, ng blessings mo or ng assets mo or anything. Okay? Or masyado kang takot na mabawasan yung money mo or alam mo, meron ako nakikita na sa ating mga pile number 2, you are very successful in financial. Okay, whether you are businessman or businesswoman or anything, you have some kind of wealth here. Okay, or titingnan natin. Pile number 2. So you can be a earth sign also. So, okay, so titingnan natin. Pile number 2. Judgment. Okay. For some of you, this person is, yun ang pagkakaintindi niya or pagkakakilala niya sa'yo. Or this person is blaming you on something. Okay. Tingnan pa natin. Queen of Pentacles. O, Earth sign, di ba? Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Abundant. Very abundant. Okay. Businesswoman. Di ba sabi ko nga high social status? Financially independent, wealthy, 'di ba? Luxurious. So, magaling sa pera, in short. Okay? So, you can be this person na magaling sa pera, wealthy. There is some kind of wealth. Okay? May sinabi sa buhay, may kaya, may pera. And this person knows na may pera ka. Okay? So, titingnan natin. King of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Hmm. Uy. Page of Cups and King of Cups. Okay. So, you have 7 cards. Ace of Cups again. So, Cups. Water sign. Okay, water sign, earth sign, air sign. Okay. So, there is 2 masculine here and a 1 feminine. Hmm. So, this is about money also. Pupuwedeng this is a friend or a family member that talks behind your back. Pupuwedeng they are telling na may mga nagkakagusto sa'yo na ang gusto lang sa'yo pera, whether this is a King of Swords or a King of Cups, okay? Ayan 'no, Page of Cups and Ace of Cups, emotion, 'di ba? Cups is an emotion, okay? So, Ace of Cups offering, okay, someone here wants to offer an emotion and a stability, okay? Pupuwedeng you are in a crossroad right now, choosing between two people. So, these friends, okay, na nag-gossip about you, whether this is a family member or a friend, uh, pupuwedeng ano, pupuwedeng sinasabi nila or judge ka nila na kaya maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo kasi you have the money, okay? You are wealthy financially. Pero this is a good gossip or good topic or good talk yung sinasabi nitong mga person na 'to. Kasi, they are see you as an abundant person. So, may pera, magaling sa pera. Okay, so pupuwedeng sinasabi ng iba na kung sino man yung piliin mo na maging partner mo, is masuwerte kasi you are very good financially. Oo. 'Di ba? Kasi shadow attribute, hoarding money and emotions. 'Di ba? You are hoarding money and emotions, 'di ba? Two of cups to guys, oh. Ace of cups, page of cups. This is a cups. Two two kind of cards na cups siya. So ibig sabihin hoarding. Parang alam mo 'yon, yung you can get what you want. Parang gano'n. So sinasabi ng mga tao na makukuha mo kung ano yung gusto mong makuha. Huh? Maraming gustong mag-offer sa'yo ng emotion, ng stability, ng new beginning. Siguro po puwedeng gusto makipag-partner sa'yo, makipag-team up kasi you are very good financially. So, tingnan natin. Let's see. Thief. Rob, loss, theft, physical or emotional. O, 'di ba? So, for some of you, be careful ha. Be careful sa mga person na nagpapakita sa'yo ng want to um, invest, whether money or emotions. Kasi some of the person is a thief na gusto ko lang nakawan or alam mo yon, 'di ba? Whether physically or emotional kasi you are very successful when it comes sa money. So po puwedeng sinasabi ng ibang tao whether this is a family member or a friend, okay, you are um, very mabait, very kind, and you don't mind sharing. Pupuwedeng gano'n, sharing your riches to other na pupuwedeng take advantage. Okay, so 'di ba? Kung makikita niyo yung photo, there is is a woman or a girl in the car and there is a man outside, 'di ba? Na parang asking the woman, the lady, parang alam mo 'yun, parang inuuto, 'di ba? Thief, okay. So, pupuwedeng sinasabi ng iba na you are you are a good person. You are very, alam mo 'yun, yung hindi ka madamot, very good, very kind, kind-hearted, you always share kung ano yung meron ka. Pupuwedeng yun ang nasasabi nila, eh, na pupuwede sigurong nag-aalala lang itong mga person na 'to na pupuwedeng maloko ka. Kasi merong ano, eh, merong mga nag-o-offer sa'yo, nanliligaw sa'yo, okey? Pupuwedeng you're a single mom, meron akong nakita na you are a single mom, okey? Wala kang asawa and you're very successful financially. Tapos siguro natatakot lang 'tong iba na itong mga kaibigan 'to, family member na baka ma-take advantage ka, okey? Cyberbully, you are being bullied online or they are has suffered from it, etc. Okay? So for some of you, doon sa mga pumili ng pile number 2 na ang sinasabi naman, okay, ang sinasabi naman is um, negative about sa'yo na parang kaya mong makuha lahat ng gusto mong makuha dahil may pera ka. Okay. You're good at money kaya marami nagkakagusto sa'yo. Pupuwedeng this is a bully, okay? Pupuwedeng this is a bully online, okay? Or the one na merong bad intention towards you is a bully. Okay? Tingnan natin. Forcer. Forces things on you. Forces their way in. Uses force to get what they want. O, di ba? Guys, I cannot. Merong someone, okay? Someone na nagpapakita or nagsasabi sa'yo na gusto manligaw sa'yo or having an emotion sa'yo, offer a cup, whether Ace of Cup or Page of Cups, nagpapakita ng emosyon sa'yo, pero this is a forcer. Okay? This is not a good person. This is a bully and a thief. Okay? Kasi you are very abundant. You are very good at money. You are financially stable. Okay? So po pwedeng totoo yung sinasabi ng iba na you are very generous. Ayun. Yun yung kinukuha kong salita pa kanina. Very generous on your riches or your money. And sinasabi nila, nakikita nila na itong person na to, siguro nangyayari na to, is very um very dangerous or some kind of thief kasi siguro napapansin nila na ano na pwedeng magaling magmanipula tong person na to. Okay? Ah, nakikita yun siguro nung iba. So be careful guys ha. Let's see. Oh, bad reputation. So po pwedeng this person has a bad reputation. Okay? This person yung isa sa mga nagkakagusto sa'yo na nag-o-offer ng cup. Pero doon ko nakikita din na po pwedeng tatlo yung nag-o-offer sa'yo ng love or ng cup. Okay? Pwedeng tatlo na person or more. Okay? So this person has a bad reputation of robbing someone or a thief or a bully or a forcer. So, mahalaga na mag-background check kayo guys, ha? Kung sino yung ano. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito, you're a good person. You're very generous. Mamaya baka nagpapaawa to, para kunyari na, o kanya, papay ng single dad to or anything na Ako lang nag-aano sa ano ko, ganito, ganyan. Basta some kind of manipulation. So, be careful lang, ha? Be careful. Screenshot. Getting evidence, proof, and facts. Child services. Kids at risk of being taken or is about to reporting something neglect abuse. Hmm. Hmm. For some of you, meron akong nakita na there is someone gossiping on you telling that you are a bad woman. Okay. Um, kung kani-kanino ka nakikipag-date. Okay. Um, and this person is a bully. Okay. Itong nagkakalat ng chismis or talking behind your back. Okay. If you're a single mother, this person telling na kid at risk of being taken. Alam mo yon yung parang they are talking na po pwedeng ire-report ka kasi po pwedeng if you're a single mother, a single dad, and having a lots of people na marami kang dinidate, po pwedeng gawan nila ng istorya yun eh. And sasabihin nila na nine-neglect mo yung anak mo and nakikipagrelasyon ka kung kani-kanino, parang gano'n, okay? So, take what's resonate, guys, okay? So, this is another scenario yung sinasabi ko na ano ha, na energy, okay? So, kung pwedeng this person is getting evidence, okay? Kung titingnan ninyo, cyberbully ha, kung pwedeng this person is getting evidence on social media, okay? Na kung sino-sino yung dinidate mo, okay? Na pinapabayaan mo yung anak mo, okay? Pinapabayaan mo yung, basta kung sino man yung ano, pwedeng anak na lalaki, anak na babae, okay? Kasi you had a bad reputation daw. Or po pwedeng this person has a bad reputation na this is a thief or a cyber or a cyber bully. Okay? Bullying people kapag ka nakikita nilang successful yung person. Okay? So meron akong nakikitang ganon. Gina-judge ka with this judgment card. Gina-judge ka na ganon yung ginagawa mo na kesyo sa totoo naman eh, wala ka namang ginagawang masama. Okay? O pwedeng you already separated or byuda ka na, tapos, syempre, parang inopen mo ulit yung self mo na magmahal ulit, whether may anak ka pero naipoprovide mo naman yung pangangailangan ng anak mo, naibibigay mo yung needs mo sa kanila, yung time mo, naibibigay mo naman. Tapos parang gusto mo lang i-open ulit yung sarili mo sa to find a love or to find a partner. Tapos itong person na to na nag-gossip or nagto-talk behind your back is just jealous. Kasi siguro iniisip nila na, ayan, mag-aasawa siya or mag-aano siya, tapos pababayaan niya yung anak niya. Ganon. Nine-neglect niya yung anak niya, inaabuso. Ayan, parang ganon. So, tingnan pa natin. O pwedeng there is a King of Swords or King of Cups. Okay? King of Swords, King of Cups na um, offer you a love or a new relationship or po pwede ha, meron ako nakuha ngayon lang na this is a ex-husband. Okay? Ex-husband na pwedeng mahal ka pa rin. Okay? Pwedeng mahal ka pa rin. And pwedeng siguro you are like pile number one, there is someone new. Okay? With the new beginning, new relationship. Nasa new relationship ka na. Okay? So, pwedeng may anak kayo nitong um, ex-husband mo. Okay? And pwedeng um, pwedeng gumawa ng kwento tong ex-husband na 'to na wala kang karapatan dun sa bata, parang gano'n. So, meron akong nakikitang gano'n ha, kasi this person is a forcer. Siguro pupuwedeng gusto niyang humingi ng pera sa'yo, kasi alam niyang generous ka sa pera, mapera ka. Gagamitin niya yung bata, okay? Gusto niyang kunin sa'yo, ire-report ka niya na neglect mo raw yung bata or ina-abuse, ganyan, para mapunta sa kanya. Siyempre, pagka napunta sa kanya yung bata, pwedeng may support, okay? Sa money. Okay, so pwedeng ganun yung scenario ha. So take what resonate, guys. And this person is getting proof or evidence or facts, okay, against you. Okay? Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Yung iba sa inyo online ka tinitingnan siguro yung mga post mo or updates mo sa live, ganyan. May nakita ako na nag-spy online. Pinapalabas ito na you have a bad reputation, bad mother. Okay? If this, if resonates to sa inyo. Kung ano man doon sa mga nabanggit ko kanina. Can be a mother also. Kasi nga ito, Queen of Pentacles. Mother din kasi yan eh. Queen. Let's see. Tapos kung titingnan mo dito sa ating judgment, there is a family here, 'di ba? Mother or lalaki, babae, then child, 'di ba? Family. Okay. So, vice versa guys, yung sa may pile number 2 natin ha. Same with pile number 1. So, pwedeng whether ikaw yung babae na may new love ka na and this ex-husband is natatakot na, alam mo yun, yung gagawa, palalabasin niya you're a bad mother, okay? Kukunin niya yung bata sa'yo, palalabasin niya na napapabayaan mo yung anak ninyo, parang ganyan. Kasi nga, para sa support sa money. If ever na you're a woman and ikaw yung mapera, or vice versa na po pwedeng this guy naman or if feminine naman is naghahabol sa guy or sa wealthy guy na may anak sila, ginagawa niya ng kwento, story, nire-report niya, gusto niyang sabihin sa iba or palabasin na na-abuse yung anak niya, kaya kailangan sa kanya mapunta. Kasi nga, siguro natatakot siya, kung pwedeng married kayo nito, may family kayo ito, malus yung money or yung wealth nung ex-husband niya. Okay? So, take what's resonate, guys. Okay? So, pen number 2, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung reading natin. Okay? Pasensya na kayo kung putol-putol yung pagsasalita ko. Kasi ang dami pumapasok sa na information sa akin eh. So I hope nag-resonate sa inyo 'to. You are welcome to go back to pile number 1 again or review the reading of pile number 1. Okay, so show some love. Please, para dun sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, if resonate sa inyo yung reading natin, please consider subscribing sa channel natin para mas lalong lumaki yung community ni Luna. Okay, show some love. Mag-reply kayo sa video na to kung resonated sa inyo. Okay, so again, I will be waiting for those na um, 4 person or 4 subscribers ko na nanalo ng free personal reading until January 31 lang po ang pag-claim ng ating free reading, okay? So again, meron akong Gmail dyan. Doon po kayo magsisend ng message, okay, or screenshot of your YouTube account na isa kayo dun sa 4 na napili. Okay? So, show some proof na ikaw si ganito na nanalo ng free personal reading para makuha ninyo yung instruction how to claim your personal reading and makapagpa-schedule kayo. And to those na gustong magpa-schedule ng personal reading, so doon din kayo magsisend sa Gmail. So just check the description box, okay? Para makita ninyo yung email address. So maraming maraming salamat. Hindi ko napapahabain to. Abangan ninyo yung ating upload ulit tomorrow. Okay? So happy weekend or family day sa inyong lahat. Again, this is the Luna Tarot. Happy Saturday. Bye!